Hey guys, my name is Barry. I'm here at Jess Ford of Pullman. Today I'm kind of going to give you some tips and things that you should have in your vehicle for the winter. So before you get into wintertime, make sure your tire tread is up to par and you have quite a bit of tread in it, and your tires are made for wintertime or all season. And make sure the tire pressure is at the appropriate level. There is a little indicator on the door here. I can show you where it will tell you what your tire pressure should be on the tires. And during the winter time, your tire pressure in your tires will go down. So it's important to make sure your tire pressure is to the appropriate measurement. As well as the other alternative to that is if you decide you want to not worry about that as much, you can put nitrogen air in your tires at specific places that will actually do that, which means that your tire pressure during the winter time won't change as much, and you wouldn't have to keep track of it as much. And then you want to make sure your antifreeze as well as your windshield fluid level are at the appropriate measurements. So if you come to the front of this expedition, where you will find it is right here. Your antifreeze, and then your windshield wiper fluid is going to be right over here. You want to make sure that they're at the thresholds. If they're not, bring them into Jess Ford of Pullman, and we'll top them off for you. Another thing you want to check or bring your vehicle in for us to check is your brakes. You want to make sure they're at their appropriate thickness level. If they're not, I would recommend getting them changed with new brake pads. And up here, you want to make sure your windshield wipers are not degraded and are leaving a streak-free swipe. First off, having a first aid kit in your car is very important, so you never know what's going to happen. Having a toolkit also in your car is going to be really helpful, just in case if something breaks, you need to fix it, you can fix it. You can run those little jumper cables with the power bank built in. I tend to not like those because during the winter time, if you leave them out in the cold, they can lose battery over time, so you do have to quite frequently charge them up. What I do recommend is having jumper cables in your vehicle, because you never know, people will drive past you. Also having food and water, maybe some granola bars or something in the back, just in case you do get snowed in if you end up somewhere. Having blankets as well is pretty important. Just having something that keep you warm if you do get stranded out there. Having a foldable shovel and having a cell phone charger in your car would be very important. You can have a bag of sand just in case you do get stuck and need the sand to provide your tires with a little bit of traction to get you out. You can run snow chains if you wanted to, just in case if you ever need it. Rather have it than not need it. For example, in an expedition, you can actually lift up this back portion here, and you can actually store all that in this giant compartment. If you guys have any other tips or any items that you guys personally run in your car during the winter time, please leave them right below and like and subscribe to this video. Again, my name is Perry. I'm here at Jess Ford of Pullman. Thank you for watching. Take care.